Today's author study is going to be about Eric Carle. So just like we've been doing all week, you're going to type his birthday here. Here you're going to type the place where he was born. Information about his family, such as brothers, sisters, parents, grandparents, children, spouse, etc. Early years, here you're going to type his education and schooling. And down here you're going to find a famous quote by Eric Carle. On the next tab of our flip book, you are going to create a timeline of Eric Carle's life. Remember, it has to be in chronological order, meaning the order in which the events occur. So starting at the beginning of his life, whenever he was the youngest that you can find, all the way up until the end of his life or present day if he is still alive. On this slide, you're going to type books that were written by Eric Carle. A lot of these books are very popular with the younger grade levels, kindergarten and first grade. Some of you have read or they were read to you when you were in those grade levels. And then you're going to type some awards that Eric Carle received for his books. On this slide, you're going to do a book talk, or you'll type the title of the book, give a summary of one of his books. And again, if you have not read one of his books, or if you don't remember, we have one at the end of this comprehension lesson, so you can go listen to that book and then do a summary on that book here. And then you will tell what you think about that book. Don't forget to insert a picture of it, and then you're going to type the genre, the pages, and the year the book was published. Next, we are going to type 10 interesting facts about Eric Carle. On the next tab of our flip book, the last tab, you are going to cite your sources, which means you're going to copy and paste the link that you found your information here. And then at the very end, we have a read aloud, The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle.